this one.
What's that time say?
4 seconds.
Yeah. Okay, guys, technical difficulties, but that's okay. We flipped the cake out, and let me see how pretty it looks. Okay, that looks so good. I can't wait to tell you guys when we talk about exactly what we did. I think we lost some footage, but that's okay. Let me show you. We got some orange marmalade. And I think that footage got going. I'm not sure. This was 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, known as icing sugar. And I stirred those 2 together, and it got really thick. And so I added just a squirt of orange extract and just a little bit of vanilla extract. And instead of adding a lot of fluid, I added 2 tablespoons about of orange marmalade. Stirred that up really, really good. And then a tablespoon of evaporated milk. And here we are. So our cake is a little warm, but that's good. So I'm going to pour, guys, our marmalade. Right over the top. I sort of like it to sit, and because it's warm, you know what that means. I'm just gonna put the rest right on top. And let me tell you, I was getting ready to put some more, told you I'm gonna ting too much. I was getting ready to put some more marmalade on it, because I don't really eat them. This is my husband's thing. And I told him, well, taste the icing and tell me what you think. He's like, nope, that's enough. That's strong enough. So, I hope you guys can see it. Let me see. That's it, y'all. Yes, it is. Let me see if I can get a little closer for you. And as Miss Donna would say, and there's the rest of it. I don't want my cake to fall. Let me see. I might have to take the cake to you. I'm going to take you to the cake because it's still warm. Right down there in the hole. There it is. Our orange marmalade pound cake. Is that not awesome, y'all? Orange marmalade pound cake. That is it. We got a winner chicken dinner.